to my channel. It's your girl LovelyJodiAnn bringing you back another video.
Oh my god!
So as you guys know, everyone is quarantining and this is the perfect time to take care of yourself. So of course everyone's been like bumming out, you know, just been looking like a hot mess. No nails, no makeup, no hair. So in today's video, I'm just gonna do a little get ready with me. I have some ice wine that we'll be drinking together, and I'm just gonna talk about how I feel about everything that's going on. So let's just hop right into that video. I'm gonna start by opening up my bottle of wine. I'm gonna do a little tutorial for you guys. So the way you open up the bottle is you also want to show the label to whoever you're serving it to. Then you want to open the bottle by using the blade of the wine opener. Just want to, with a nice clean cut right around. Alright, so you know you have that nice clean cut. You just want to take the, what is this called? The spiral. And you want to stick it directly, take the point, take it directly in the cork. And then you just want to spin until you get to the last spiral. With the label still facing to your guest, you want to, so this is like a two-step wine opener. So I'm going to go to the first step, bring it straight up, like that. Then you want to go to the second step, which is right over here. And then you just want to go directly up. And just like that, the bottle is open. So normally you rest it on the table or wherever. And then you take the cork out of the opener. Normally people like to smell it. It smells like delicious grapes. So I'm just going to taste it. Tastes splendid. I legit have not worn makeup in literally 3 weeks because I've been quarantining. I've just been like focusing on my edges. Like my edges are really bad. So I've just been using like Jamaican black castor oil on my edges so that my edges could grow back while it's in this protective style of braids. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera. They're honestly a mess. So I think I need to start learning how to pluck my eyebrows because it's looking crazy. Let's talk all things quarantine. So obviously everyone is under quarantine. No matter where you are quarantining. Honestly, like at first, this whole coronavirus, like I was super naive about it. Like I'm like, honestly, like I don't even think it's that serious. I think the media is blowing it up. I mean, I still think they are to like a certain extent, but it is real. Like people are literally losing their lives every day because of their virus, and numbers around the world are literally doubling. So like, I mean, it is serious, it is a real thing, and it is very sad, but I'm here not to speak about the sad elements of the virus, but I'm here to speak about the positive stuff. So this is like the perfect time to really buckle down. Like I don't know like if you guys are really realizing, but like the entire world is on pause. The entire world is on pause. Like everything is on pause. So I feel like this is like the perfect opportunity to really develop yourself within. So if you have ideas of things you want to do for the future, like you literally like jot them down. If you want to start a business, like really brainstorm what you want to do. Like I feel like this is such a great opportunity to develop yourself and like develop and really focus on your goals, your ambitions, your dreams, and really plan so that whenever we're out of quarantine, you know, you could actually put those plans into action. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. So I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm using it in the shade Cappuccino. I feel like as much as everyone is saying how they're bored, there's nothing to do, I feel like it's so important right now to really utilize that time because like everything is on pause. So the first tip is, as nerdy as it may sound, like create a schedule for yourself. So I know for a lot of people right now, like everyone's like sleeping, eating, like drinking alcohol, and like literally just like relaxing. And I mean, it is great to relax because, like, you know, this is something that is tragic for everyone around the world. And I know for like a lot of us, like people around like my age group, like none of us really went through any crazy pandemic. Like, you know, I've always heard about SARS happen, but like I don't remember that. But I think this is such a perfect opportunity to capitalize on that time you have off and all that free time to really work on yourself and like really buckle down and like plan out your day, utilize your time. So whether it be doing a home workout, whether it be eating cleaner, content planning, you need to hold yourself accountable, right? With a schedule, it really allows you to set yourself up for success. Hold yourself accountable about like the actions you're doing throughout your day. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm using it in the shade Warm Caramel, so that's what I'm using to conceal. So another lesson I've learned is it's either at the end of this pandemic, it's either you become fat or you become fit. Metamorphically, the way to look at it, it's either you're going to elevate or you're just going to be at the same level. So I encourage everyone to want to elevate. You really have to truly decide which end of the spectrum you want to be on. So you're going to be fat or you're going to be fit. Going in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, and I'm using it in the shade medium. We have so much time on our hands right now. So it's like, what are you doing with your time? You got to utilize your time to the best of your ability, as well as hold yourself accountable. You know, I'm not going to sit here like a hypocrite and say like I've been like amazing this entire pandemic, but I feel like accountability is so important because only you can truly hold yourself accountable. No one else can do that for you, right? So just like do all the things you said that you wanted to do that you didn't have time for. Like do it now. Like now is the time. I started this year and I told myself I wanted to read a lot. I want to finish a couple books, and I mean I haven't been doing that, but like it's just like now is the perfect time. Another thing that I recommend is, I mean, if you are on your phone, there are a lot of people who always go live on a daily basis and who literally like have Instagram going wild. So I mean, like you have Tory Lane doing his quarantine radio, super duper duper lit, super funny. The girls who come on there, the guys who come on there, it's really nice. You have like in Toronto, you have DJ Snoopy, you have DJ Steamy, like you have all these DJs who are like going on, like putting on a show for everyone. And like it is like very entertaining. I think I do recommend, like right now I'm actually learning a new language. I'm learning how to speak Spanish, and I would recommend the app Duolingo. I have lessons every single day, and I've been like writing down all the new words I've been learning. So like that's another thing, like learn a new language. Like why not? You have the time, so do it. Sometimes like when you're in the dark, it's important to like try to stay focused, to really view that light at the end of the tunnel, because it is there. And even though right now like everyone is sad, everyone is very worried, and I mean it is normal to feel that way because we are humans, and I mean it is a very serious situation, but you need to like focus on like how you can make a change at this moment, right? So focus on the things that are in your control. I feel like that is very 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 important. What can you do right now that is in your control? Stay home, that's one. Like stay home, focus on yourself, focus on your development, so that when we get out of this quarantine, you can be doing great things. How have you guys been spending your quarantine? Like I'm so curious. You guys have any book recommendations, like some ideas? Yeah, like share it with me. Like what have you guys been up to? I don't know, it feels so weird putting on makeup. I haven't put on makeup in 3 weeks. Like it feels so foreign to me. But I mean, I think I'm doing a good job, right? What I've been doing to enjoy my quarantine, I have been cooking a lot actually, and like my biggest thing was I've always cooked, but because I work like such crazy hours, I haven't been able to like actually cook. But like now, like I have obviously no excuse, so I've just been focusing on that, making some delicious meals actually, like practicing how to be a better me. Like just like focusing on like rebranding myself, especially on YouTube. I felt like I really lost myself because I just felt like there were always these constant things that were putting me back, but I was just like I just wasn't making it a priority, to say the least. And I feel like the first step of solving a problem is to acknowledging that there is an issue, and I mean I definitely have. And I know that is the issue, like those were my excuses, but now like I'm like trying to like buckle down and like actually focus on actually getting stuff done, like making time, because at the end of the day, as cliche as it sounds, we make time for what we want to make time for. So I'm like actually giving it the time now, because like I am very passionate about making content. I love to show you guys what I'm doing, like to encourage you guys. And like every time I pick up a camera, like I always like regret not picking it up earlier, and it's just like 3 months later, it's like, girl, what are you doing? I just like just staying focused on like my goals. And I feel like now it's like the perfect time, like the absolute perfect time to actually do all of that, like do all the things I said I didn't have time for, because now I have all that time. Because I'm not gonna be, what is it right now? Right now is April, and I'm not gonna be working until June, so that is a long time. Using my Modern Renaissance palette, it is a little crusty, but yeah, I'm gonna work on that. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna quickly finish up my makeup because I've been like feeling like very ugly. Cause like prior to me getting braids, like my hair was like looking like I was like wearing my bonnet every day, and like I didn't really care, because I'm like, honestly, I'm not going anywhere. I have no one to impress. Like, it is what it is. Oh my god, what am I doing, guys? I don't know what to put makeup on anymore. Wow, it looks terrible. Okay, I'm just gonna make it work. I'm gonna, you know, I'm just gonna pop in some goals, because this is not it. Okay, so I'm all done. This is my finished look, and yeah, so this is my quarantine look. Honestly, I've been feeling very ugly, and this is like my first day doing my makeup, so I feel really cute. It's not saying I need makeup to look cute, but I'm feeling much better. But yeah, thank you guys so much for coming back and watching another video. Just make sure you guys keep up and do the things that you need to do in order to allow your mental health to be at peace, because right now is such a crucial time globally, and I feel like we're all like, you know, going through it all together. You know, everything is on pause, so I encourage you to utilize this time to focus on everything that you were making excuses for before, and told yourself you didn't have time, because now is the time. If you're going through anything, I just encourage you to just speak to someone. Honestly, just like check up on people who you haven't spoken to. Like right now, I just FaceTime some of my girlfriends, and they're all doing well, and yeah, it just makes me so happy, because like honestly, like right now we're literally all going through the same thing. So like just try to be there for other people, and I encourage you guys to keep up in good spirits, and it will be over soon. Just stay focused, stay calm, and stay home. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon.
I'ma make it for certain. I know it's all gonna be worth